Hi everyone, this is Charles Harper. You're looking at a video that I'm about to edit that I'll be giving you access to when you get Alice's master resale rights content. Basically, it's going to allow you to teach your customer how to take any master resale rights content along with AI and turn it into something that's going to be sellable. And so basically, I looked at NotebookLM and the other one is GPTs. And I also did a third way also so that your customer, if they're going to buy master resale rights, they will be able to take that content and then sell it in a way that's going to be unique. And most people are not going to go through the work. Even though, as you can see here, the video that I did was about 8 minutes long. And so there are three methods in here. And so it's really designed so that people who are not necessarily technical can create the software application and sell so that the sale will be easier for you to make. So you can promise this as a bonus because I'm going to give you unrestricted rights to it when you pick up Alice's master resale rights content starting on the 25th. On the 25th at 7 a.m., you can go to the URL that you see in your screen and in the description. Thanks and have a great day.